Changing a headlight bulb on a Toyota Rav4. Open the hood. This is the headlight bulb we want to change. There's an electrical connector here. Just unplug it. All you have to do is pull it out. Move it out of the way. There's a rubber cover. You just pull out. This is the headlight bulb, and there are two wire brackets here. You just pinch them. So pinch and pull out, and your headlight bulb should come out. Get your new one. Don't touch the glass. This is the way it goes in. Make sure the wire retainer is back on. Squeeze it, pop it back in. Make sure it's in really good. Get your rubber cover. Get your rubber cover. Slide it back on. Get your connector, electrical connector, and plug it back in. And that's it.